here I find myself back in the woods. And we're trying to see if we can find Doug, catch him in his natural environment, in his shop. Hey, Dougie! What the heck is that? Oh boy, we're up here. That's bear scat right there. Gotta be close. Hey, Doug, you in there?
What's up, buddy?
Finally made it up to check out your shop. You are way up here, man.
Oh, it's not too bad.
No, it's pretty far. I just walked past some bear scat in the driveway.
Did you see the bear?
What? Big bear chased me!
Did not see the bear. Well, this is Doug's shop. First time I've been in here, and it's everything you said it was.
Yeah, a little typical shop.
Car lift. There's no nudie pictures on the wall.
Yeah.
Look, I see you installed a heater.
Yeah, I got the little wood stove going the other day. I don't mind the chimney. I don't think she's exactly up to code.
Is that OSHA-approved chimney? Yeah. And a little bit of, oh, look.
Fire! Yeah! Lots of drunk friends with spray
graffiti,
paint.
You know?
Yeah.
Hey, where'd that sign come from, Doug?
What sign? Oh, that's the old WFO sign.
Oh,
Saw it in the dumpster.
That's the old logo.
Snagged it out.
So, hey, before we even talk about your rig, I always like to check and see. I do the old open the toolbox and see what kind of guy you really are.
Yeah, that's a good drawer to look in.
And look at that, guys.
Other ones aren't so organized.
That is the perfect representation of what Doug does at WFO. He's been with us for how long?
About 4.5 years, something like that.
About 4.5 years, and he's called me an a-hole multiple times.
Oh yeah, someone has to do it, right?
But anyway, Doug is the one who basically is in charge of doing all the LS swaps, all the wiring, and then diagnosing all the very hard problems to find. You know, chafed wire, something 6 foot back in a wiring loom.
Yeah, all the fun stuff.
All that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And he has put out some amazing builds. A lot of the LS CJs, you look under the hood, they look like they're from the factory. So I really look forward to seeing what the old Willys Buggy looks like. I know it's been a long time coming. How long have you been working on this thing?
I've been working on it a while, about 1.5 years now. I've really been putting a lot of time into it. I've owned it for a lot longer than that, but
like everybody and like all the projects we've been showing, they're not always finished, right?
Yeah, no, it's definitely not done, but it's close.
But
man.
we almost got this one. We were almost doing donuts, right?
Yeah, a couple more parts and some late nights, you know.
But it did start. Right?
Yeah, it runs good.
Well, I'll tell you what, let's open up the garage door here and roll it outside and kind of show people around.
Nice, all right.
All right. Let's roll this bitch out, huh?
Hell yeah.
Hopefully it does not take off down the driveway.
Yeah, like I said, I only probably been working on it for about 1.5 years.
Well, let's start from the front, go to the back.
All right, you want me to just pop the hood off?
Pop the hood.
Hinges, that's on the list still to do. So.
Oh, there's no hinge on it.
No, makes it easy to pull the hood off though.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Everything's tucked in there tight, huh, Doug?
Yeah, to make it fit under the hood, it's kind of a nightmare.
So what's this engine?
This is like a Cadillac motor, 6.2.
6.2
So like a LS3 kind of.
So I see, once again, Hydro Boost brakes.
Yeah, Hydro Boost, just to make sure that it works right out of the gate.
And you have those Speedmaster headers that we always use, huh?
Yeah, those stainless Johnnies.
Those are sweet.
Yeah, V-bands.
Clamp.
I was able to fit 3-inch on this, which is kind of nice.
You got dual 3-inch?
It's not dual exhaust, but yeah.
But dual 3 into single 3?
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Okay, all the way to the back. I see you got the orbital tucked in right here.
Yeah.
Man, there is no room for anything. Everything is packed in here.
Yeah.
Reservoir, and this isn't the radiator, is it?
Yeah, it is.
So it's front radiator.
Front radiator, yeah.
Transmission and then power steering?
Yep, exactly.
And what trannies you got?
Turbo 400.
Turbo 400.
Yeah, it's just like a typical junkyard truck type build, you know?
Yeah, you just gather the parts.
Yeah, just, you know.
Off the embankment.
Yeah, like Dana axles and, yeah, just pick and pull type stuff.
And then, tell me about this grill. You happen to know what year it is?
I believe it's all 51 components, like the hood, the grill, and it's been sectioned. I didn't actually do that though. That was
Believe it or not, this build started as Danny's build.
Yeah,
the old Red Wet Willie used to work at WFO.
Red Wet Willie.
And Danny kind of ran out of spunk on it, and Doug picked it up from him, and Doug's been finishing it. So front axle, what's the front axle?
It's like a Ford high pinion kingpin thing.
That looks like about a 90, 91 Kingpin Ford. It's
Yeah.
got reed C's, reed knuckles.
Yep.
And then full hydro.
Yep.
And dual triangulated 4-link.
Yeah, in the front, and then some cool trailing arm stuff in the back.
And then I'm looking here, it's just full tube chassis, right?
Yeah, subframe.
Oh, it's got a subframe. I didn't
Yeah,
even
so
see
it's
that.
like a full
Nice.
tube frame type
Yep.
thing.
Well, why don't you show us the inside, Doug?
Oh, the old rusty inside. All right.
What do you got there?
Yeah, just it's just when it's full tube chassis, it's kind of like it. They had to kind of cut the cab all apart to get it.
So they took the roof off the cab, right? Danny did.
Yeah, and then cut the back off of the cab and some other stuff. It's been like
Where'd you
close
get
to.
that
It's
shift
been
knob?
like 15 years since
Look
Danny
at
built
that
this
shift
thing.
knob. Peterbilt.
Yeah,
Look at that. And
Peterbilt.
look at the sparkle steering wheel. Oh, that's quick release too, huh?
Oh yeah, because when the seat's in here, there's like no room, you know.
Yeah, that's one thing about Willys pickups is it is tight as heck in here.
Yeah, triple stick, like a
203,
203, 205 doubler.
Oh, I was wondering. I was going to ask if you had an Atlas. So
It like actually is junkyard parts, you know.
absolutely. So what's going on in the back here?
The back, I actually just put one of our trusses and 14 bolt setups on there because the axle that was in there was a little too narrow.
This is that like 2000 newer factory disc brake 14 bolt.
Exactly.
That's
yeah.
our full truss with the dual triangulated upper link mounts.
Yeah, really simple stuff. All of our
Now,
stuff right off the shelf.
We
you
just
know?
skimmed over this, but let's go back to that. What exactly are those skis underneath there?
Those are like the canoe style trailing arms that I'm not really sure where they came from, but Danny acquired them when he was building the chassis, and I
And
really
you can
like them.
see these welds right here, so he got a good deal on them because somebody had sectioned or cut them out,
Yeah,
and then you
somebody
just
did
welded
some-
it back in.
Someone did some modifying. Yeah, I certainly didn't weld them back
And so
together. but-
coilovers, bypasses in the rear, and then you went ahead and laid in that almost chrome.
Yeah, it's like a chrome powder coat just to be goofy.
And that's the only thing that's been coated on this thing so far.
Yeah, the rest of it's spray paint for sure. That's just the style of rig this is.
Well, I love the patina, and I know people are going to want to see this thing going, Doug.
Yeah, I'm hoping that we're maybe going to do a different video on it and have it driving and doing some donuts and shit.
Well, I'll tell you what. The next video has to be you ripping around the property here, doing some donuts, bring it down to the shop, and
yeah, try to break
lay
it.
it out on the donut pad there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Well, thanks for letting us see the old. What do you call it? Does she have a name?
We all call it the Buggy, so it
Well,
doesn't
that's
really have
not a good name.
Yeah, it needs
That's
a
not a
name.
good name.
Yeah, it needs a name.
Well, thanks for showing it to us. I hope you enjoyed Doug's rig, and stay tuned for the next 12 rigs of Christmas. Remember, 12 rigs, 12% off. Uh-oh, she's turning. Uh-oh, hold on. I gotta get back to this tire. Okay. Oh, ready to go. Oh! All right, there we go.
Before Santa leaves, you want to pop a couple rounds?
Does a bear shit in the woods?
Yeah.
Please do. Pop one off. There you go. Pop it off. Don't think, just go. Here we go. Do it, yes.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.